Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW 3 Series and 4 Series, today will be a super helpful video to you guys and you're trying to find where your alternator, also known as generator, is located on your engine. Stay with us, we'll cover that and we'll explain more about replacing it, how to avoid injuries, how to avoid burning your car and causing damage to the computers when replacing one of those. So make sure to stay with us until the end. Quick introduction: as you know guys, 3 Series and 4 Series, they share the same engine, same platform, so many of the components are practically the same, guys. Another thing, every single car we get at the shop, including this one here, we make more than 200 videos, guys, and specifically on BMW 3 Series we'll have more than probably 300 to 400 videos. Why we guys do all that, why we take our cars completely apart? Simply guys, because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you need to buy a replacement alternator, any parts to use for your BMW, check out the link in the description of the video below. It will be shared there for your convenience, so please check it out, guys. This is a 2013 BMW 320i that we'll work on, but the same procedure should apply to 328, 320, 420, 428, and it may actually work on the 316, 318, and it will give you an idea about the 418 as well, where to find that alternator. So opening the hood, guys, okay, opening the hood, that's what it looks like. Things are extremely dirty. Now I want to start by saying something. If you have that engine, guys, that's the N20 engine, known as N20 or N26. They're known for timing chain failures on certain years, and we just replaced the timing chain on a BMW with that engine that failed at 87,000 miles. So video, guys, is actually live, it's actually uploaded on our main channel, Auto Repair, guys. Our main channel, guys, that's where we do most of the mechanical stuff. If you want to see electrical videos, how to test alternator, how to clear engine light codes, how to diagnose the systems, how to diagnose transmissions, we'll have it on our third channel, Electrical Car Repair Live, so please check it out now, guys. While we have the hood open, okay, looking this way, guys, this is your alternator. Okay, it's driven by the serpentine belt. When the engine runs, the belt turns, the belt will turn the alternator and it will make electricity. Now, being here, guys, it's super easy to test that alternator because you don't have to even remove it. You can test it here and it's super simple. We'll have the video coming soon. All we're going to need is this voltmeter that we're using here, and you will be able to tell if the alternator is good, if the alternator is actually draining your battery. It could be so many things that a bad alternator can cause. And another thing now, guys, when removing and replacing, you have to have your car battery disconnected because this is a positive cable, and if you get it loose and you touch it somewhere or you touch that cable with something else, you're going to see sparks and you can burn your engine computer and other computers as well, which is catastrophic, guys. We've done that because we weren't careful in the past, and we want to share that with you guys so you can learn from our mistakes. But that's where it's located. The whole replacement video will be on Auto Repair, guys. Check it out. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.